Hey, let me talk to you like someone who's lived with the Bar 700 MK2 every night for weeks, because once you experience this system the way it was meant to be heard, everything weaker feels like something you used to tolerate instead of something you'd actually enjoy. This isn't for someone who shrugs at thin audio or accepts dialogue that floats around without weight. This is for you, the person who notices when sound actually matters, when explosions hit with presence, when voices are anchored instead of pushed around by background noise. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price and availability. Powerful Dolby Atmos systems like this don't stick around at good value when people start realizing what they deliver. You know that moment, you press play on a movie trailer and the sound feels flat, as though everything is happening behind the picture instead of around you? Or you're in the middle of a game and footsteps just blur instead of giving you real clues where the action is? That's exactly when you realize you've outgrown compromise. You're done with mediocre sound that just gets by. You want impact and clarity that actually matches the visuals. Then you switch to the system and relief hits almost immediately. This isn't about being louder, it's about sound that feels positioned. Dolby Atmos doesn't just make noise, it places sound so effects aren't just coming from somewhere ahead of you, they're happening above you, beside you, around you. The detachable speakers mean surround sound no longer feels like a gimmick, it feels present. Once you feel that level of immersion, everything weaker starts to feel like something you shouldn't have stuck with for so long. Picture this, you're watching a big action scene and instead of just hearing the roar of engines, you feel them rush past you because the soundscape actually wraps around you. Later, you jump into a game and footsteps don't just hint at direction, they announce presence from behind because the system actually places them where they belong. Even music feels richer, with vocals and instruments spread out instead of mushed together like they used to be. That's not numbers on paper, that's experience you feel every time you sit down. And once you've lived with that kind of spatial clarity and impact, anything less begins to feel like a compromise you shouldn't go back to. Every time you even think about something weaker again, your mind circles back to how connected and alive this system feels. That's loss aversion. You don't want to give that up once you've had it. Midway through, take another quick look at availability. Systems with detachable speakers and real 7.1 Atmos performance don't linger when people start comparing in real listening sessions. If you're hesitating because it sounds premium or like just more parts, let's reshape that doubt. This isn't about clutter, it's about shape and presence. It's about sound that matches what you expect from visuals that already look stunning. This isn't an extra add-on, it's the difference between audio that distracts you and audio that immerses you. Here's something most people don't expect until they live with it. It doesn't just fill the room with louder sound. It wraps the room with intelligent placement so you don't just hear effects, you sense them. That's the shift that stops you from thinking about audio and starts you thinking about experience. You feel explosions with real presence. You enjoy dialogue that stays anchored and clear. You get immersive movement in every scene. You own a system that respects your taste. You experience audio that actually connects. Downsides? It's not the tiniest speaker you'll find in the bargain bin, and it isn't the cheapest basic sound bar out there. Those are simply the trade-offs for sound that genuinely respects your movies, games, and music instead of just amplifying them. At some point, the endless comparison loop just stops. You already feel which experience satisfies you most. You choose what feels right, not what's uncertain. So don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay and later look back on thinking I wish I did that sooner. Decide with confidence, check current availability now, and bring home the kind of sound your instincts have been telling you to get.